Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video, and as promised, I'm back here to add more money in your pocket. So today I'll be showing you an app that I've been able to work on and earn some money, and I'll be teaching you how you can do the same and earn some money on this site for yourself. Okay, so let's get to it. Evidence to show you that I'm not here to waste your time. You can see I was able to receive two payments from Defined Crown Corporation. That is Neevo, the app that I'll be taking you through on how you can be set up. So you can see I'm not here to waste your time. This is money that I was able to receive, and I also withdrew from my PayPal account. So yeah, so let's get to the video. So first you go to your Play Store or your Apple Store. They're both on iPhone and also on Android. So type there Neevo app, and then you check this logo. That's the app that you're going to use for this. Okay, so first, when you've downloaded that, now you'll be prompted to either sign in with Apple. You can continue with your Facebook account, or you can just like join via your email account. Okay, so I'll just take you through the email part. So the basic information, you'll be prompted to enter that. So it's your first name, last name, your email, create a password, and then as you move along, they'll be requesting you to enter, I want to say languages that you speak, so on and so forth. It's pretty basic, really. Like, it's not that complicated, the information that they're looking for. So yeah, so create a password, then move to the next. So you see that they're asking you to agree to the privacy. Just check that. Yes, it's good to let them send you some mails about their jobs, since sometimes the notification maybe may not be turned on, but you can get their mail. So click continue. Then from there, now you'll be prompted to also check some of the languages that you speak, or I want to say you understand, right? So the language, maybe say it's English, so you can check English. Country, let's say English. Then in the country, let's say you pick US, right? United States, or United, let's pick UK, so United Kingdom. And then now you want to say what level are you in your English. Remember, they want you to pick up to 4 languages, and you have to have 2 native maximum, or you can pick native and put something there. So let's see whether they're giving us an opportunity to, like, you can see there's a Flintshire, or so you can pick that, and then I add that. So you have to input 4 languages, 2 have to be native. Okay, that's how you get to do these jobs, and you have to do tests on those. But don't be scared, because the tests are pretty easy. You just have to like train yourself, because the English is different. When you listen to a US person and a UK person speaking, you'll notice a difference first. It's because of the accent. The UK stands out so badly. Like, you have to listen, like, how do they pronounce some words and all that. So here you'll be prompted to enter your birth date. So that now so you just come here, enter that, and then you check your gender, what country or which country do you reside in. And then once you've entered that, yes, I'll pick Kenya, I'm a female, right? So then you'll move on to the next part. Now in the next part, you're almost like finishing up now the sign up process on this one. So yeah, you should be good. So here you're prompted to like upload a photo of your profile. It's going to be signing up for another account because I already have one, so I'll be logging in to just take you through the next part of this. If you're enjoying this video so far, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for all the effort I go through to gather all this information, this helpful information for you. All I request for you is to like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and just to support me. That's the only support I do ask from you. So jobs are worldwide. So for my people who keep asking me, are these jobs available in Zambia, in Malawi, in I don't know where and where? these jobs are available to anyone everywhere across the world. So what I want you guys to do is, in the comment section, do reply or leave a comment of the country that you're watching me from, and I'll give you a shout out. And also this will help anyone else who is asking from your country to know that this job is available in that country. Okay, so when I get in my account, you can see right now they don't have any jobs for me. Now this is something that happens. Really, it's not a shock because the jobs are not as frequent as you would imagine, but when their jobs come, they come in bunches, so you have a lot of jobs to do, and they do pay well. So that's the good thing about it. So the downside is their jobs are not as frequent, but when they do come, they're in bunches and they do pay you well. So you know, every job has its own upside and downside, right? So we have to accept that. So for now, I don't have jobs, but I'll take you through my job history. Now remember, you can do this same application and also do these jobs on your laptop. I find doing them on the laptop like easier because then you get a bigger view. But if you don't have a laptop, then it's okay to go on and use your phone like to do these jobs. So you can see for the first 3 jobs, I was able to miss them. So sorry, for the first 2 I was able to miss them because I think I was kind of tied up. Like I get sometimes like quite busy and I'm not able to like get to these jobs, but I was able to get on these other 2 jobs, and these are the ones I want to show you. So you can see I was able to earn, this is just image and video tagging, a very simple task, and I earned $3.78 US. That is like 400 Kenyan shilling in one task, a very simple task. And then the next one is image tagging correction. I was able to earn $2.20 US. Now these tasks are so easy, and each task comes with different, I want to say, instructions, but they're also so simple to do, so you don't have to even like stress about that. So you can see I've also been like receiving jobs from them. I just like that time, I think my notification were not on, so I kept like missing jobs from them. But right now I'm back, and yeah, you can see I was able to do some jobs. So something about this job is that you have to do tests to be qualified for these jobs. What do I mean? For where you checked your languages, like you had to have 2 natives and then you have other languages, so you have to do tests. You can see for the UK, I also have another test. I already did tests before. That way you can see I have checks on the side. That's the tick, the blue tick, that shows that I was able to do the test and I passed. So meaning I can receive jobs from the US that have anyone speaking in US or just that require an understanding of the US English. And also you can see I did one in the UK. But so you have to keep doing these tests. It gives you better chances of landing these jobs when they come in. And this is Australian, so there are many, I want to say, languages that you can pick from that. So it's not just that. I hope you're enjoying this video, and I want to take a little bit of your time and ask you to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that. This will help me reach more people through my videos and also help my channel grow. I'm so thankful for all the support you guys have been giving me. Honestly, you're God sent. Thank you so much for all the support you're showing this channel. I can't thank you enough. Okay, so let's get back to the content. You can pick your native language. So for example, let me try edit this, and let me pick a country, a different country. So you can see if I was to, so country, let me just like remove UK, and you can see when you start searching, so you can pick any English. Is it Bahamas? Is it Barbados? Is it Botswana? Is it Canada? Is it Caribbean? So whichever country you live in, Denmark, like Eritrea, Europe, whichever, Fiji, so whichever country you live in, you can pick a language from there. You go ahead and pick whichever you want. You can see, are you at the basic level of like your understanding of the English language? Are you a fluent? Are you an intermediate, meaning that you're in between, you're like learning, you're getting better at it? Or are you a native? Is that your first language? Now from there you'll be able to pick a region like within the country that you picked. So when you do that, you're able to do the test and then you start receiving your jobs. So when it comes to payment, they only pay you through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, do go and register for PayPal. So as you go to create your PayPal account, this is something that I want you to remember. It did help me. I was a victim of this whereby I kept applying to register for PayPal, but I kept getting rejections because how I was inputting my name was wrong. So when you go to create an email account for your PayPal account, remember your name has to match the way it appears on your ID. So for example, you can see my name is Betty Mwenda. So if you sent me money today, that's how it would appear on your side of M-Pesa. That's our local money service. So I don't know how it appears in your country, but how that appears, I want to say it speaks your first and your last name. I'm not quite sure, but please be keen on this, because if you don't apply, if you don't use such an email, then your account will be rejected by PayPal, and they're very strict about this because they use your ID to like verify your account. So there is no way around this. So
I hope this information was useful to you, and if this sounds like a chance that you want to take up on and earn some money, I did tell you that it doesn't post as much job as you would expect, but for jobs that they post, you can see that I've been able to earn so far like on 2 jobs. So this is money that you really don't like rely on in paying like big bills, but this is money that when it comes in, it can help you a lot. You know, that time when you're thinking like, where can I add or get a top up on something that I want to get? These are the jobs that bring that money, like that money that you don't really like rely on too much, but you know when it comes in, it will sort something in the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't liked this video yet, please do like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.